March 18, 1910, a car drove into a field in Diggers Rest, Australia, and out jumped a man on a mission to pilot the first successful powered flight over Australia. A crowd was there, including this moving picture photographer who shot these rare images. Now, the pilot had only flown a plane a couple of times, but he was confident he could pull it off. And sure enough, he fired up the engine of the big biplane he bought only 3 months before, barely dodged slamming into a tree on takeoff, and for 2 miles soared above the Australian countryside and into the record books. When he landed, he told reporters that while the world may not remember him for his more famous career, it would never forget him as a pioneer aviator. Well, the man was escapist Harry Houdini, one of the most famous men in the world. And while few actually do remember his achievements in the air, Houdini taught us that no matter how good you are at something, it should never keep you from exploring all those talents locked inside.